Step 3, roll and release. To use the roll and release technique, start by placing 2 to 3 drops of oregano essential oil onto your left palm, and circle the fingertips of your right hand around the left palm 3 times clockwise. Be sure to complete this pattern before each repetition of the roll and release technique. To position the hand in the correct place, draw a line straight down from the ankle bone, ending at the front of the heel with the index finger. Cup the heel with the left hand for additional support. Position the right hand on the recipient's right foot by gripping the foot so that the fingertips rest on the spinal reflex points at the heel while the palm rests on the top of the foot. Roll the fingertips of the right hand forward so the nail flattens against the bottom of the recipient's foot. Roll the fingertips back to the original position with the pads of the fingertips on the bottom of the foot. Go from the pad to the fingertip, to the nail, and back to the pad. Pressure shouldn't be too light or too deep, but it should be a nice, secure, and firm pressure throughout. Repeat the roll and release technique along the entire length of the foot's spinal reflex points and off of the big toe, moving up about 1/4 of an inch each time. End with several roll and release movements with the index finger on the center pad of the big toe. Repeat the entire succession 2 additional times. The wrist movement should be similar to the motion of turning a doorknob. Change sides and repeat 3 times on the left foot using the opposite hand positioning. Place 2 to 3 drops onto your right palm, and then circle the fingertips of your left hand around your right palm 3 times clockwise. Place the left hand on the recipient's left foot and grip the foot so that the fingertips rest on the reflex points at the heel while the palm rests on the top of the foot. Cup the heel with the right hand for additional support. Roll the fingertips of the left hand forward so the nail flattens against the bottom of the recipient's foot. Do the roll and release technique up the foot. Repeat 2 additional times on the left foot. Repeat the roll and release technique 3 times each on each foot with thyme, basil, cypress, wintergreen, marjoram, and peppermint essential oils in that order.